Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 5a and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the apps. Now let's scroll down to find special app access, and the option we're looking for here is the install unknown apps, so let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. So basically all you have to do in order to allow particular app is to simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, after getting back, you can see that from now on the Google Drive is allowed to install something. But be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and be careful. And of course, if you want to, you can always turn off previously granted permissions. Just tap on it and tap on the switcher again. And as you can see, it will be turned off. So basically that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Google Pixel 5a. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.